Got it, bro. So we're gonna show you what's inside.
Dalawa.
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Daramdam mo, daramdaman mo.
진짜 이만큼? Seriously?
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Loloy and Hyojina. Of course, it's me, your boy Loloy.
It's your girl Ginny.
It's been a while. Forgive us, guys, if we look kind of awkward, like in front of camera because
it's been a while in this kind of settings.
You know, in this kind of settings. So, guess what we're doing today, Ginny?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You just want me to sit here, so.
Yeah, because
there's nothing on the table.
I didn't told you about this. It actually came 3 weeks ago. Are you gonna be surprised? Are you sure you don't really know about this?
Like what?
Huh? What is it? What is this?
How will I know? It's my grocery bag. 대박!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
When did you get it?
2 weeks ago.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah, so YouTube sent us this box right here.
Wow.
Finally.
Wow, I can't believe that I'm gonna...
What is this?
Silverbutton. I guess this is what it is. Look like.
Yeah, so it came in a black box.
Wow.
See, YouTube.
근데 왜 이렇게 라이트해? 그거 진짜 맞아?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Well, it's supposed to be heavy.
I don't know. I was expecting it a little heavier.
I don't know. It's supposed to be heavy, or?
I have no idea.
Yeah, so that's what we are going to do today. We are gonna unbox this bad boy right here. Yeah, after like a month sitting in the corner collecting dust.
Wow.
Umpisa na natin ang pag-unbox nito box na to.
Wow, I've never thought that I'm gonna receive a silver button.
Yeah, we never thought that we're gonna receive this silver button. Yeah, so yeah, let's do this!
Oops! Kung akala nyo isang simpleng unboxing lang ito, nagkakamali kayo. Kasi papalitan natin ang loob ng silver button nito.
Ang tagaan naman.
Oops!
Ayan na, ready na siya. Ito natin ilagay sa box.
Wow! Convincing! Ipasok natin sa box at ayan na! Ready na tayo! Let's go, prank Hyojina! Let's go!
So we have be careful, we have a blade here.
Yeah, which doesn't have blade.
So we have like a blade in here.
Where's my blade?
I don't know. Oh, open it here.
Okay, guys. 간다.
Oh my god. Okay, wash your hand, please.
Okay. 간다.
Damn, bro. Wow.
I don't know, like,
Why?
is it supposed to be this light? I was expecting a little heavy.
Parang may problema ka.
Well, I know it's not made of actual silver.
I don't know what it's made of.
Still.
It's like made of actual. Maybe it's made from a mixture of metals or something.
Yeah, Baby, can you please close your leg? You're so sweaty. You're making me sticky. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open it. Okay,
I'm gonna open it, bro.
3. Oops. Well, too much. Well. Okay. I got it.
Got it, bro. So we're gonna show you what's inside. Yeah, booyah.
Don't tell me.
What the?
Where's the button?
That's the button.
Where's the button? Where did you hide it?
Put it down.
Are you abusing my quotation?
It's not a prank. Why
Where's
would
the
I prank you?
button? Where's the button? Where's none?
Just read it. Maybe it's the new one. Maybe they changed it.
It's impossible. Don't tell me you guys minimize this.
Do you mean like made it small? I don't know. Like
It's supposed to be this size,
not
right?
sure, bro. Show it to them.
It is supposed to be this size. Don't tell me. Don't tell
There's
me you
something
guys.
inside though. Like there's some.
Don't tell me you guys minimize the button.
What do you mean minimize? Made it small?
Yeah. Don't. Are you pranking me?
No, I'm not.
빨리 와. Are you
No,
pranking?
bro.
Is this
Are
a
you
prank?
kidding me?
Is this a prank?
Read this.
Read what?
So they gave us this paper inside. I don't know, like from YouTube, of course, from YouTube. Okay. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100, your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do. If you know that, blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna read it everything. Okay, I just want to know if they change it.
Seriously, because I know that silver buttons are like this size. Should be this size. Look at that. There's a tray, which means it's supposed to be this size. I think you're pranking me.
I'm not pranking you, dude. Why would I prank you?
Don't tell me you guys minimize the weight. 진짜 이만큼? 그냥 이렇게? Seriously?
Wow, we didn't know that it's
It's
this
just a
small, right?
wrap. And it's in a,
What the?
it's not even.
What? Oh, there's something.
It's empty again.
Show it to them, dude.
Okay,
Okay.
so I took the wrap and there's now this kind of.
Hey, don't take it off, bro.
Why?
What are you doing? Show it to them, bro.
Wow, what do I want to show?
That's our silver button, dude. What the hell? So,
아이씨, 너 프랭키지? 야, 빨리 이거 프랭키잖아. 어쩐지. That's why you were asking me to buy. 야, where's the foil? foil 어디 갔어? 아, foil 어디 갔냐고.
Baka ngayon tinuya kita.
Like we went out today, he was like looking for a foil. I thought it's for our grill for the samgyeopsal, but
oh my god, I can't believe you would fall for that. So yeah, this is our silver button right here. It's the smallest silver button in the world. We're the first one who got this, so we're unique.
who's putting silver button in a plastic? Plastic wrap 이게 뭐야 이게?
Sabi niyo pa no, pinaliit yun na ba yung silver button?
아이씨.
Naniwala. So ayan po ating silver button. So yeah, this is yours. You can get.
이거 뭔데 이거?
That's your silver
이거
button.
뭔데? What's inside? 그럼 그렇지.
Yo, it's behind you, dude.
아이씨. 그럼 그렇지. 아 이거 뭐냐고? 뭔데? 이거 오픈해봐도 돼? 아 그래. 아 이게 뭐야 이게 페이퍼. 아 이게 뭐냐고 이게.
Oh, so fun.
See, presented to Loloy and Hyojina.
Okay, you do the honor.
You already did the honor. It's already over here. 아 정말 이렇게 돼야지 그래. I was looking for this side. 이렇게. See, this is what I was expecting. But then when I opened it,
Oh, it's so funny. It's too small.
what? Are you kidding me? 그냥 이렇게? 진짜?
Yeah. Nakatawa talaga. Okay, so open it. Show it to them. Open it.
아 정말 진짜.
Okay, take off the plastic bag.
그래 이렇게 해야지. 이렇게 샤이니 해야지.
Oh yeah! So this is our silver button, guys, and this is the fake one that I did earlier.
그렇지. 포일 많이 하자 그러더라. 어?
So this is the fake.
포일을 왜 그렇게 어? 왜 내가 기포이를 looking for 하나 했네.
Tatawa ako sa'yo, sabi.
So presented to Loloy and Hyojina, to Hyolo couple for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Wow! Thank you very much, YouTube, for this. And then, of course,
You guys, our
Jinro. Yeah, we would like to thank you for, for this gift. It's really timely because, we have a baby. And we just got married. We just got married at the back. And then now this, right?
이거 내 거고 너 이거.
Yeah, so it's not that heavy.
Thumbnail time. Wow! Thank you everyone. Thank you to our Jinlo. Thank you. And this one, no thank you.
Salamat po.
근데 이거 진짜 뭐야?